With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, the question says that two particles of masses m and 2m moving as shown with speed of 10 meter per second and 5 meter per second collide elastically at origin. After the collision, they move along the indicated direction with speed v1 and v2 respectively. The value of v1 and v2 are nearly. So in this question, I have to find out the value of v1 and v2. Now from the figure it is clear, this velocity is v1. So if velocity is v1, then we will resolve this component. So component will become for v1, so it will become this point is v1 and this point will become, if this is v1 then it will become v1 cos 30 degree and this component will become v1 sin 30 degree and this component is v2. So if this is v2, then this component will become v2 cos 45 degree and this component will become v2 sin 45 degree. We just resolve the component. Now using the law of conservation of momentum, apply the law of conservation of momentum. So if we apply the law of conservation of momentum, so we can use the formula here. So in first case, before momentum before collision equals to momentum after collision. So momentum before collision and momentum after collision will remain equal or constant for an isolated system. So for first, if you consider first here mass is m and the velocity along if this it will become, so there is 10 meter per second. So if it is 10 meter per second, so we can resolve also its component. So its component will become, so if it's 10 meter per second, so this component will become 10 cos 30 degree. Now apply the formula. So we get first m moving with the velocity in horizontal direction with 10 cos 30 degree. M into 10 cos 30 degree. Similarly, in case of 2m, its horizontal component will become 5 cos 45 degree. So it will become 2m into 5 cos 45 degree equals to, so now this component 2m is moving, 2m velocity is v1 cos 30 degree plus and m v2 cos 45 degree. This is 45 degree. So now after solving this equation, we get it will become, so this value will become m into cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. So we get it will become, taking m is common from both sides, so we get an equation is 5 root 3 and this will become 5 root 2 and this equation will become 2 cos 30 is root 3 upon 2 and this equation will become v2 upon root 2. Now we have talked about horizontal direction. Now we will talk about vertical direction. This is for horizontal. Now equate the vertical component. So in this case, vertical components, so if this velocity is 10 meter per second, horizontal is 10 cos 30 and vertical will become 10 sin 30. So now use this formula. First m is 10 into m sin 30. We can also write this equation as m into sin 30 for vertical component. m into 10 sin 30. m into 10 sin 30 and its velocity is opposite to this. If we talk about this velocity is opposite to this, so we will take negative sign. 2m 5 cos 45 degree equals to m v2 sin 45 degree minus 2m 1 v1 sin 30 degree. We just resolve this component and multiply and solving this equation. So now after solving this equation, we get 5 minus 5 root 2 and this component will become v2 divided upon root 2 minus v1. Now on solving this equation for V1 and V2. So after solving this equation, we get value of V1 is 6.5 meter per second and value of V2 is 6.3 meter per second. Value of V2 is 6.3 meter per second. So it is our answer. I hope you understood this explanation. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.